Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Keap for pipeline stages and custom deals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Keap for pipeline stages and custom deals, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Pipeline section on the left sidebar. Click on Pipelines to access your existing pipelines or create a new one. If you're creating a new pipeline, click on Add Pipeline and enter a name for your new pipeline. Next, choose the stages you want to include in this pipeline. You can add stages by clicking Add Stage. Enter a name for each stage and set its properties according to your workflow. Once all stages are added, save your new pipeline by clicking the Save button. To authorize custom deals, go back to the Settings menu. Click on Custom Fields in the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to create custom fields that reflect your deal requirements. Select Add Custom Field and fill in the necessary details for your custom field. Once completed, save the custom field by clicking Save. Next, associate these custom fields with the appropriate pipeline stages. To do this, return to the Pipeline section and select the pipeline you've created or modified. Review each stage and ensure that the custom fields are set to display at the necessary points in your pipeline. After confirming the setup, revisit your dashboard to test the authorization. Create a new deal and check that the pipeline stages and custom fields work as intended. If everything is functioning correctly, your authorization process is complete. You can now manage pipeline stages and custom deals effectively within Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.